Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Got the old Mongo man here. Mongo's Garage. Saturday afternoon. Sitting in there talking to a guy about some windows for the house, and well, lo and behold, what happens is Too Tall wants to be sure we know he's out here. Just out of nowhere, the horn starts going off. So I had to come out here and deal with this. Hopefully you can hear me. What the heck? It's like the key's being left on. All kinds of weird stuff happening here. He found out the other day that the actual heater motor stays on. It's like the key's always on for some reason. I don't know. We're gonna have to look at it soon, or get Pat done, and then leave it parked. I don't know what we're gonna do. Go figure, right? The key is definitely not in it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't get it. It smells like something's dead in here. I can tell you that much. It's probably basketball clothes. All right, well, we're gonna get in the garage here soon. Gotta finish up this meeting and then hopefully get Pat's cab painted. Well, here we go again. Literally 3 minutes later, they start to go off again. So I'm gonna have to do some reading and find out what causes a Super Duty horn just to go off on its own. It's like it's got a mind of its own here. I'm gonna unplug the batteries and leave them unplugged this time. It's telling us that it wants us to get Pat done. It does not want to be on the highway this winter. Thank you. Goodbye. All right, well, we've made that stop again. Back to the house. All right, everybody, we're back out here in the shop. Gonna try and get some stuff done. I did already do some sanding out here earlier this morning. Passenger side is almost done. I do believe the driver's side is completed. Everything's looking pretty good, other than this little bit right here that's gonna need to be done. Well, I'm happy with. I got some seam sealer in the seam there. Just gonna go over there and do the passenger side. I'll check back in with you shortly. All right, ladies and gentlemen, after I don't know, an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours of masking, I think the cab's ready to paint. We got it turned upside down here. Everything has been masked off. The only thing left is to squirt some paint on this bad boy, which is what I'm getting ready to do. Just wanted everybody to see what it looked like before we squirted paint on it. I'll put some primer on it here, and we see what that does. All right, time to get paint. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got her in paint. KJ and I are gonna get the heck out of here. Probably, I think he's headed to West Mifflin, and I don't know where I'm going. All right, let me see what we did here. Like I said, everything has been in primer, or has been put in primer, I'm sorry. Quite a bit of dirt in it, but we'll work on that here tomorrow. That's one thing the rotisserie does. As you roll that thing over, whatever dirt might be captured down in all the crevices and the holes and stuff, most definitely gets in the paint. And you can see there, I did come all the way out and into the door jambs, just like we talked about. So it should look pretty good. Tomorrow we'll get this thing Scotch-Brighted down, wiped off, and put some light baby blue on it. Should look pretty good when we're done.
Damn flies.
Say bye to the people, KJ. See you. All right, everybody. So I've had a lot of people ask me what I'm going to do about them corners that I put brand new on the truck. As you can see here, I went ahead and primed pretty high on this side because of where that seam was. The whole cab is in primer right now, of course. But what I'm going to do on these corners, you can see here I've put some red oxide primer on here. Once I get it all done, I'm going to come back with some 80 grit, maybe some 180, I don't know, and scuff the corners and stuff off of it and make it look like the paint wore off of it. You know, give it a faux patina to try and match the real patina on the cab. So real happy now, now that this is all dried out. It's come out really nice. It's a little rough, but that's okay. We were gonna sand it out anyway. Get that roof sanded up, get everything nice and smooth. Then we'll put some blue on this thing tomorrow after church. Yes, sirree, bobber dauber. I like it. Just another step in the process. All right, guys. Get this video put together and get it posted here yet tonight. Talk to you soon. See you later.